Warning: some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
When you take a poop, ever wonder where it goes? Well, there are two ways it can go. One is through a treatment facility run by a municipality. The other is right in your backyard run by, you guessed it, you. And when you're buying and selling a home, it's important to know the difference between the two. Otherwise, you could have a very smelly situation. I know that's a lame joke. But let's go ahead and learn the difference between sewer system and septic system. Septic system is a big old box that sits either in your front or backyard. So when you take a poop, it goes through the pipes and down into this box that we call a septic tank. Bacteria eats up the solids, and the liquids go through the filters and out as clean water back to you. These septic tanks can cost anywhere between $7,000 to $15,000, if not more. However, you don't have to worry about paying monthly sewage bill. However, you do have to worry about paying for the pump out of the solids every 5 to 10 years. These septic tanks can last anywhere between 15 to 40 years. The good thing about having a septic tank is that it's environmentally friendly, and if you maintain it properly, it can save you money in the long term.
Stop! The key word is maintaining. If you are one of those people who cannot maintain or take care of your crap, you may want to consider a sewer system. Please do not use septic system if you are this type of person. Please consider sewer system. Now on with the show.
In a sewer system, when you take a dump, the sewage lines carries the waste to a treatment facility where it removes, contaminates, and discharges the water back to your local water supplies. So in both cases, if you drink tap water or use tap water, you could be using or drinking tap water that came from your toilet or someone else's toilet. Or that could be a lame joke. But the good news is you don't have to worry about maintaining it. But you do need to worry about these monthly sewage bills. So, the difference between the two is, in a septic system, the poop goes into your backyard. In a sewer system, the poop goes into a treatment facility. Backyard, treatment facility. Backyard, treatment facility. And that's the difference. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!